Hey guys, Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and today I want to introduce you to fig. This is a fig tree, and it comes to us by way of Asia, and it produces the most delicious fruit this time of year. In fact, let's go ahead and test one right now. Let's get our tester in here, Evan. Come here, Evan. How's it taste?
It tastes so good. It tastes like, kind of tastes like. Tastes like a peach. Let's see what my brother thinks.
It kind of tastes like a peach or maybe a plum, but it is really good.
So there you have it, guys. Fig, a wonderful, incredible, delicious fruit to enjoy. So next year, think about growing a fig tree in your garden. I'm Mike at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm.